We're here today at the King's Fund for the Foresight Annual Investor Conference, bringing together investors, capital allocators, experts from industry. We've got breakout sessions, we've got expert panels, and we've got keynotes from Dr. Rhiannon Marie Thomas and Jeremy Leggett, and conversations about progress and innovation within sustainable investing.
One of the great things about Foresight is we have a variety of different strategies that range from infrastructure and real assets, private equity, and of course listed equities as well. But they're all connected, so bringing in investors that we have on the listed equity side alongside investors from the different parts of Foresight is also a really powerful combination. So there's definitely an opportunity to build synergies and connect with clients in a deeper way as well.
First of all, you've got to review where you are, what can we do better, what can we invest in better. We also have to look ahead at what needs to be done, the investing of the patterns of the future, where are the good places to invest, what are the good ideas, what are the good propositions. That's what today is about. Foresight is investing in funds, essentially, as I see it, that cover markets that are vital to a livable future. I mean, we have to have an energy transition. We can't go on cooking our own planet. So I'm thoroughly supportive of everything that Foresight is doing, and they're investing in great companies in what is already referred to as an energy transition. And as we've heard this morning, there's lots of momentum, lots of good things happening.
I think some of the highlights have been just a sense of energy and optimism about this process that we're going through in terms of a transition, in terms of our energy system. You hear a very negative narrative in the media often about this, but the reality, hearing from the businesses that are actually doing it on the ground, it's incredibly positive.
The economic transition to a decarbonised economy is underway. Global solar costs down 12% last year. 94% of renewables installed are cheaper than the cheapest fossil fuel equivalents. The markets are moving ahead, they are getting on with it, they are investing where they see those risk-adjusted returns make sense. The challenge is in adaptation, in nature, in the first-of-a-kind technologies, which are also going to play a critical role in decarbonising our economy, but where we don't yet have the familiar business models and the familiar ways of investing. This is why it's so important, days like today that the Foresight Group are hosting, which shares best practice, shares knowledge, making sure that we're all bringing the expertise that we have as financial professionals to the challenge. It's going to take radical collaboration from multiple stakeholders for us to figure out how we create investable transactions that ladder up to the transitions that we need to see across sectors, across geographies, and that the governments of the world are aiming to achieve.